Hello, everybody. There was some issues with the internet at the beginning. Chat disconnected, successfully connected. But then again, here we are. Hopefully, my you can hear me. And uh, okay, my name is Caleb. For all of you that don't know me or that you don't know this channel, for example, I am Caleb. I am a software engineer, software developer. And today I came up with this idea of performing this live session, solving a couple of SQL problems, and then see how AI performs in these same problems. I started uh, doing serious SQL uh, uh, queries on 2005, almost 20 years ago. I That was like kind of my first encounter with SQL. I was in university, and there was some guy arriving from Mexico City. He delivered a workshop on SQL, and some friend of mine asked teachers I should join the workshop and pay the money after the workshop. So thank you, that guy, Alfonso. And after that, then I went to some jobs in 2010, and also 2008, in which I exercised. I exercised some SQL knowledge. Uh, since I didn't want to install anything, I am choosing this platform to have I haven't seen the problems that we are going to tackle. Hopefully, I will be able to solve that problems. And let's log in. We are in. I haven't been here since months. Let's choose problems. And to be honest, I don't spend like too much time over here, so I will be. Let me show you. Let us see if I am able to show you. Look at this. This was on December 2023, and then I haven't done anything over here. So when I can choose SQL, uh, so hopefully the dynamic is clear. I will choose some SQL problem, and then this is for your entertainment. Of course, these AI systems have been tested like gazillions of times, but still, I wanted to, give it a try. And because when I started, I didn't imagine this day will arrive in which uh, people are talking about. You are just given the problem to the computer, and the computer will, you know, give you the code. I have imagined other technologies because I like daydreaming and exercise my imagination, but I didn't see this happening. But it is great for for the people to have these tools. So let's continue. Again, remember the title of this video is some reflections will be made, but hopefully there is code and little chit chat. So hopefully database is our thing. I don't think where I can choose SQL. Uh, where is this thing? Probably I should prepare in advance for to locate at least the section of SQL because this seems like I don't think these are related to SQL. No, this seems like computer science. I mean programming, competitive programming. Somehow this sounds like like problems on SQL on database as the section goes here. I will choose order by okay, I did it. This yes, this is the section because I have solved two of them, two of these problems back in like almost a year ago, and I will be coming to this screen because I don't want to be talking or you know this thing like stop or something like that. Also, I am at this new angle from the camera. Today I came up with this new angle. I'm testing several angles for the camera, and I don't see this is going to because the laptop is behind the monitor. So I'm not sure if you will be able to see what's happening over here, or maybe you will say there is another people. We are saying just your face. So if this, okay, I having trouble with this. I don't know. This internet, I don't know. So yeah, maybe we will continue experimenting with with several perspectives for the camera. So let's start with something that doesn't feel too hard because I don't want to work for free. I mean, I don't want to put that much effort. Uh, Probably should shut up. Okay, I'm not sure if apparently I'm streaming. There is something weird happening with the internet. But, you know, let's continue. I don't know. for the okay, I will be solving the problems, but the AI will be in charge of this Udacity GPT, which is sort of plugin based on probably ChatGPT, and I did some kind of testing to see if these things will be able to give me a query because I didn't want to log in into another platform, and I already have an account with Udacity since many years ago. So in here, this is the physics class. So in here, I ask the thing, the Udacity GPT, and give me the SQL statement to retrieve all the names of the movies in a table, which probably this is a bad preposition, which schema, with the schema should be, probably misspelled this. Schema, movie ID, movie name, start. This is rather vague, right? Even for a human being. But a human being can come up with this solution. And then the Udacity GPT or AI answered with this query, this text. It always, uh, these things tend to put a lot of text. And then the code, select movie name from table name, that's the answer, which is amazing. And it even goes further and tells you replace table name with the actual name of the table. So this is like the answer, right? Then I came to Opera, web browser, and again test their ARIA, their AI system, and ask the same question. Give me the SQL statement to retrieve all the names of the movies in a table. Again, since I copy pasted schema, movie ID, movie name, and again, this is the code and this is the answer. So amazing. After that, I say, well, we can continue with this um, idea of for your entertainment, and I wanted to share this content with you. Okay, now time to finally go to our first problem. If I don't, if I feel like I need some documentation, I will be performing search in this in this search engine. Early, like before going live, I searched for text to SQL to see what tools can be used, but I ended with Udacity GPT and ARIA. Okay. So I don't want to, even when there's marked easy, let us see something that a lot of people have solved, which is the other day I went into a hard problem, even with a lot of, okay. So sorry, not boring movies. It seems like, like the systems will be able to answer. Well, now let's try some randomly because yeah, these are not boring movies. Sounds I sounds like I won't be in too much problem, but also yes, for the AI section, I will be given this entire. Hopefully, this is not like a fair comparison, because I will be just placing all this information in the AI system. And here there is an SQL, but you can use Postgres, Oracle, and Microsoft SQL Server. I haven't practiced anything, so let's see how it goes. I'm still looking to the time because I want to play the guitar. Okay, so this is the table, cinema, color name, type, ID, which is a name, movie, bar chart, description, bar chart, rating, plot. ID is the primary key column with unique values for this table. Each row contains information about the name of a movie, its its genre, which is not here, probably description, the name of the movie, probably movie, genre is not here, and its rating, which is two. So genre genre will be like description. Rating is a two decimal places plot in the range 0 to 10. Write a solution report. Write a solution to report the movies with an odd numbered IP and a description that is not boring. Write a solution to report the movies with an odd numbered ID and a description that is not boring. Write a solution to report the movies with an odd number with an odd number ID and a description that is not boring. Return the result table order by rating in descending order. The result format is the following example. We have to, okay, and this is the input. One word, a description grade 3D. This is one boring. 3D and the rating 8.9, 2 science. Description fiction. Rating 3 Irish. Boring 6.2 for ice song fantasy. This is like probably this is an S. 8.6 a house card interesting. 9.1 output house card interesting. 9.1 war grade 3D in descending order. This is descending order according to rating. We have three movies with odd numbered IDs. Anyway, This is not an easy problem. I haven't tested for uh, evenness or odd numbers in SQL. And the movie with probably this will take us more time than the movie with ID 3 with ID equals 3 is boring, so we do not include it in the answer. Okay. I was thinking they will be like filtering for boring. It is the primary ID. Okay. Write a letter for the movie with an odd number ID and a description that is not boring. Okay, in here, most likely, this will be something like I will search for the documentation, right? Because uh, I remember this is we can compare a string with like, but I haven't don't remember the negation of like. And the hard part for this problem, which is rated easy, is testing the evenness or oddness of these IDs. I don't remember having to do that in my whole career. Okay, let's use my SQL. So they still want the entire thing. So we can use select start from cinema and then tables this these column names would be the same. You know, I was thinking people will get excited by the thumbnail and there will be someone in here, but no one's here. So even better. So my levels don't skyrocket and I still have an opportunity to solve this easy problem. Uh, for the select star from dilemma, let's use a condition where description is not like uh, boring. They want that the thing ordered descending order by ID. Yes. I will try this to see if I am on the right path, right track, and then we will take care of these IDs because we will need an AND operator to have the test for the evenness and where is this thing to make a run? we have an error. We need this. Last execute input. What's this? Over here, I also see. Um, this thing is like, I mean, the time is running, but I don't see any update in this screen. Yes, I probably should change the angle of the camera because I tend to do a lot like putting my face close to the monitor. Okay, I have an error in my SQL syntax. Check the manner that I will find you right. Let's go. No, let's see if this thing is working. Okay, we have so this thing is working. Now let's get rid of this other way. Um, Probably in here this description like I don't remember I don't remember the syntax for this. So in here the error will be here. Okay, like worrying. So I will need to search signal like we have this W3 schools customer like I am using equals. No. Mm, representing a character. Yeah, this is like to match for like regular expressions, anything before and anything after. Okay, customer like and with customer like contains. Okay, this is like okay, this all right. So the customer we customer name like and I'm doing this like this thing is not updating. This is more like Python. This is not like okay. Level 6 is anymore. I tend to do that a lot when I am programming. To do this a lot. Okay, this expected. I need to negate this thing. So I will search for. I probably should take time to see how I, as a human, am taking how much time. Okay, we have this. Okay, so it's not. And then the system. Okay, now we have our Okay, we are now in on the right path. We turn this into an and. Okay, let's test the other one. Order by this. Okay, order by ID this. Remember, this is the first video in the series, and this always happens to me because look at this and because that happened that happened to me when I started the Scala programming, solving the functional programming in Scala series. I scribbled the first problem. Now we have the things. The thing is ordered by in descending order, so we are good. Now let's this and that. I think we are like 20 minutes with this problem. Have been wasted or invested 20 minutes with this problem. Now I will need to test for evenness or oddness. I haven't done this in the past, so this probably will look like silly what I did. What not correct. So manual number. This is that. This from my SQL. I am using my SQL. There should be a way SQL arithmetic multiplication. Yeah. I haven't never tested for IDs in the past. One dividend divider. What's this? Okay. Select model of the divider. Okay. This is like a photo. So this is like the documentation. Return the remainder of 18 for this is what I was searching for something like this. My SQL. Can this operator this operator be used in the where? T equals this it will be one, sorry. So what's probably okay after 20 minutes we as I certainly need to come back to this website. At least the SQL part is is like justified, is like realistic. The other, I don't, I'm not too enthusiastic about the other sections in this website because some programs feels like you will never find it in your day-to-day job. I'm not sure about that. Some problems are like, but let's submit this code and let's. What can we do? Well, let's try to select start from my cinema where ID modulo 2 because it's 0 and the script from not like blurring. Other like this. Okay. Oh my god, I forgot this. Beside it, the answer is wrong. But let us go back to because I need to copy the statement for these systems. But only after I get the correct answer. Well, okay. Apparently, there were 6 of 8 test cases passed. It seems like the thing is ordered by rating instead. Now what's wrong here? This input and what's wrong in here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have sky top. We have 3D. We have finest. We have great. And we have good. We have high. High. We have G. G. We have E. We have E, B. B. C. C. And we have 97531 and they have 59731. So I don't know what's wrong in here. There are some like finished fine. I'm not sure what's wrong in here, like because we have 97531, but I do have this in the wrong order. Or the rating. Oh boy. There are people. What's this? I don't understand this. But yeah, after what 30 minutes, 40 minutes, we ended with an accepted answer. We ended over here. I don't know what this means. Bits 83, 94%. Okay, that's all. For me, I don't care about this. The answer was accepted. Now it is time for my I probably should take the timing, write the timing which I have started the problem. But let's say I spent 30 minutes, okay, which for an easy problem is like a lot. But remember, let's excuse myself and uh, This is like after months of not coming back to this website. Now I will be on a daily basis doing these SQL problems on Bitcode because these are realistic. You certainly will encounter some flavors of these in any given job in which you are performing queries. But the section on computer science, I don't know. There are some problems in which some kind of unrealistic statements, I don't know. At least I haven't seen those jobs. Perhaps in some big fund, FAA and NG companies, I don't know, those kind of problems are solved. It is time for the robot to take its chance with. This is great that these websites are publishing. It is good to share information. You know, some people will always asking, searching for information. Probably you should use in these modern times. I shall use some, GPT to for the when I was doing this research. Well, let's give it let's try the robot. Let's give the robot its chance. Uh, okay, right as let's as it is. This is the problem, the statement. Let's see if my fellow AI systems are able to come up with the answer. Use the following schema. Probably if this thing fails, it will be on my side on not doing some prompt engineering, some adequate prompt engineering. Uh, you know, uh, let's help the robot with this ID, movie description, rating. ID, where is this movie description rating? The description of the name contains information about a movie being boring or not. Can I make this thing longer? Okay, let's put an stopwatch for the robot. A minute 49. Okay, I thought about this. It took the robot less than 10 seconds, and it took me like 30 seconds to provide the statement for the robot. So let's put this comment. I left 30 minutes. I'm sorry. Let me excuse. After months of not solving any SQL problem. Excuses, excuses, excuses. Now, time for the robot. Robot answer. Let's use AI. 10 seconds. It was even less, like 5 seconds. Select star. Select a star. From movies. Oh boy. Oh my goodness. We can help the robot, I like this better. I like this operator better. This is more human readable, not like, but this is like some machine friendly. But movies, the table is named cinema. We can have the robot. The robot. The table name the table name is cinema. It's cinema. Cinema, yes. Right. The query. We can say please, but remember, these are machines, but you can be friendly with a machine. Write the query, please. And they give us again the thing, like, okay, so we can get rid of this first attempt of the robot. First attempt. We provided, we clarified the correct table name for our little fella. This is like, if you start thinking these robots have feelings, you will say, this is like you are doing wrong with this robot. This is not your little fellow. It is like you, but it is not. But it is not okay also to engage in rude behavior with any given object, being digital or real. Select star from cinema show, a song from Genesis, a good one. From cinema, where ID modulus 2 equals 1. I talked about this. Different than 0. Because but I was doubtful. This thing came to my mind. I didn't came with this, so this is good. Order by writing this. Uh, yeah, let's run this. Submit. Again, didn't remember like mine result, but it seems like it was we beat 83%. Again, we don't care about this, but this things like If you're in a computer science problem, of course this matters, and also in SQL this matters. But don't let's not use this to inflate our egos. This is amazing. Now 5 seconds. We did clarify the thing for the load. Unbelievable. This is unbelievable. Let's give it, let's you know give this guy a try. Again, the same like there. Perhaps they are using uh, some kind of the same API. You know, they are like sending requests and this text to the same AI API, and it is answering with this again for movies. We can help it. The table name is cinema. Correct the query. Update the query appropriately. I feel like in the future, you know, like in the movie from, I don't know, some, with some West World, and with talking with some advanced intelligence and doing some enhance, you know. So let's use enhance the query. I'm very excited about this, even when this is obvious. This is performing better than me. Regular dilemma there. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. You did it wrong. That's so wrong. Let's try another. Some other. Some other. Still, you're rock robot. But let's. This thing will answer. I don't know what will come out. 58 minutes. I really enjoyed this session. It was very exciting to see this AI system text to SQL in action. I don't think what's the name of the guy that invented that came up with the relational theory in the 70s was Scott. Scott relational theory. Yeah, relational algebra. Scott's theorem. Yeah, I don't remember his name. Theorem. Edgar F. Code, yeah. I used to know this stuff 20 years ago, but I still remember his last name still, so I'm still rocking. Uh, I don't think, probably yes, but I'm not sure if this guy back in the day was thinking about this advancement. It was good for me to come back to SQL after, oh my god, so months. And it was good to see how AI systems are performing during this. My God, 5 seconds, and you just have to clarify the thing. Imagine this. Of course, uh, perhaps an expert, SQL expert, will write this query in 20 seconds, 15 seconds if he's very fast, like typing like a crazy, I don't know, very good typist. 20 seconds, the machine the same amount of time in which you ask the AI system to give you the answer, perhaps is the same amount of time in which the expert SQL expert will write the query. You know, still there will be queries. We will continue with this series. I really enjoyed this one. Um, let's suppose there are some other queries more challenging in which the robot needs more help. That's okay. Still, the time will be less than from a human, I suppose. And let's not forget about the fact that coming up with these queries is at some point you will get tired on the mind. You know, it's an high intellectual activity, and the machine won't get tired. And it is less cognitive load to provide the sentences, the text for the AI system, and tweak the resulting query, test the query. It is less tiresome. Still, SQL experts will be on demand, don't worry. But it is obvious that these machines will be making progress also too. But don't lose faith. It's all about you, the human, achieving the great human potential that your culture allows you to achieve. And if you are some kind of Superman or superhero, you can break the rules of the culture. And you know, but it takes a lot of work, a lot of good, a lot of will. So these are the reflections for the time being. It is time for me to play the guitar because I like music. I'm sorry for using the guitar in the thumbnail. Perhaps you were expecting for a robot to play music and for me to compete with an actual robot in here, you know. But I didn't have time to, take a picture of me doing some kind of fighting pose and, come up with this paraphernalia because what matters is the code and the results. But if you like the show and if you like this show, well, thank you for watching, even in the future, because right now there's no one here. But this was amazing. I will come back to this website tomorrow with another SQL problem so I can start getting back to this thing and also testing these AI systems, which is good. This is the new way. So if you are a young software developer, please assist yourself with these technologies. And if you are a seasoned software developer, you can also take advantage of these tools. I'm not getting paid. I'm not getting any, like, how do you say? I'm not getting money from this GPT or any other stuff. I believe in humans, human first. But you can always get assisted by machines. For me, this was amazing night. Thank you very much. See you any other day. I didn't have, if you're following the Scala series, I wanted to do some Scala today, some problem, maybe tomorrow. Bye.